You are in this industry and you are investor as well. So since this lockdown things have been taken off and people are trying to come out of and we are seeing that traction is going on. So where do you see this industry is heading towards? What is the future that you see for recruiters this industry has?
Do you know what? It's $1 million question. And it's a really interesting one because I think many people join the recruitment space being like, I'm going to have this huge multi-billion-dollar industry and this massive, massive company. And I think actually what's happened over the last year, some people have just sat back and go, do you know what? I'm quite happy at being a small team. I'm quite happy at being a one-man, two-man band. We get on, we fill our jobs, we look after our clients, and we just kind of tick through. I think recruitment in general, I don't think COVID has shaken recruitment quite enough as it needs to be. I think there is a lot of bad behavior in recruitment. I think there is a ton of inefficiency from both sides. And the problem is because it's so ingrained in people's minds, like it's literally etched in their brains that this is how we do things, that actually you're sitting there going, but why? And I think the whole industry has stopped asking that question. Why are we doing things in a certain way? And I think COVID panicked people to go, right, I'm working inefficiently. So I think a lot more companies are going, right, I need to improve my processes. I need to train my teams better. And actually it was great timing for the Boolean drop, right? People are like, how can you hunt better and be more efficient? But I think there's still a lot of gaps in terms of the inefficiencies and how candidates and clients interact and recruiters and that kind of money exchange. And I hate to say it, it feels like human trafficking still, right? And it's because everyone has become so lazy and they've just accepted that kind of exchange of money process as the norm that actually I just think the whole thing needs shaking up and cleaning up massively. But that will take all three parties, candidates, recruiters, and companies, to really want to make that change rather than just moaning about the inefficiencies and the poor behavior of everyone.
No, that's a pretty nice explanation and seeing the market in a different way, though. Exactly.
Yeah, it's just weird.
Yes, I mean, since this is a collaborative industry, that is where everyone gets successful.
Yes.
And as you said, the behavior, the mindset has to change. It is just not like a broker job. We take you these people and give me that money. So we need to come out of that sort of mindset. That's very true. And here, when you have connected with many companies and you might be speaking with recruiters, so what do you think? What are the skills do you think it is required for a recruiter to be successful in this current market campaign?